And that stopped recording on me, so you're going to have to watch the first video, then this video. Can you even see it back there? Oop. Can't even see it back there. Don't know if you can see the mirror or not. I don't know what you can see. Well, I don't do them as good as everybody else does, but hey, we made it. Only across the alleyway, but I'm happy. That's my first recovery in the Nissan. Well, with the Nissanosaurus like this, I've actually pulled trucks out of the hills before in the mud. Bye, folks. Peace.